So everyone, I recently came across this brand called Moxie, and let me show you something. So if you look at their ads funnel, you can see they are running 1300 ads. They're running all sorts of ads, which is good. A brand should obviously run ads. But if you see and go on their website, what did I notice was that they are not doing any email marketing at all. Still 2026, but still brand owners are not doubling down on email marketing. So they have a beautiful looking website, their design theory and every single thing looks on point and it looks good. So in this exact video, I'm going to build them an email design and I'll show you the entire process. So follow along. Here I have few assets from their brand so that it's easier for me to design the email, and you should also have this habit of collecting assets before designing an email. That's just a good practice so that you don't have to go off the platform every single time. So we are going to start with a frame which will be 600 width long. I'll be using this image as the hero image. Okay, let me find the logo. As you can see, we have the logo right here, but we'll obviously need a gradient so that it flows a bit better. What you can do to build a gradient is make a rectangle, come here in the fill option, choose the second option from right here, choose the color, same color for the second, but what we'll do is we'll make it transparent. So now we have a beautiful looking gradient and there's no line in between and it seems beautiful. Now what we'll do is put this at the back. Now the original logo is black, although I like to keep it that way, but maybe we can try it white. So what you can do is create a rectangle again, make this white. You can go up here, click on this. Now we have a white logo. I think white logo pops a bit more, so we'll keep it white. So this is a title that I got from their website, mostly loved for a reason. This is a title that we'll go with. The font I'm using is Husky. This is the exact font that they're using on their website. We can have this headline up here. This looks good. We'll extend the gradient. Now we obviously want to have a CT up top. Most people have the option to click on it and go to the website if they want to. I'll take the color from here. I'll make it a slight, I'll add some slight corner radius, and you click on, then I'll write explore all. Cool. Maybe we'll shorten it a little. We'll go with 30. We'll center this, and now we have our CTA. Maybe adding a stroke would look better. Let's go. Now we have a stroke and it looks much better. So here we have our hero section ready to go. We have a headline and we have a CTA as well. So as soon as someone lands on this, this is exactly what see, and they can click explore all and they can go to the website. Now this I don't want to keep this white. So what I'll do is I'll change the color to this. Since this is the exact color they're using on their website, I'll crop this a bit more here. So I like this section, so I think I'll just replicate this here. And this is where she's talking about how she started Moxie. So we can have a city like no story. We have the hero section right here, and now we have the bridge section right here, which is the story of this brand. And then we can again have a rectangle right here. So on their website, I saw this product playbook session, and they're talking about how they are making the products and what sorts of innovations that they're doing. So I think this would be a good information to add this inside of the welcome email design. So I'll add this inside of there as well. I'll write our product playbook as have this on their website. I'll go and make it all caps. Okay, so all these elements I'll take this from the website. This will take a little more time, so I'll come back to you after this section is done. Okay, so after a while, this is what I came up with. As you can see, we have 4 blocks right here and we have a CTA right here. So this is their processes and actually how they make the products. So if someone who's actually new to the brand, they would be able to get a more of an understanding about this brand. This is why this section is here. So now we have our hero section done. We have our bridge section right here. And on their website, they have this section right here, which says the crowd favorite. So this is their bestsellers. I think we can have this inside of the email as well. So okay, let's now start making that section. We'll have to change the color of this font. It says the crowd favorite. That's done. Now we'll have to add the product section, and I'm thinking to make it as similar as possible. Okay, so after trying for a while, this is exactly what I came up with. This exactly looks like what they have on their website. So now I'll just go and duplicate this right here. And that's exactly how we'll have the 4 products right here, which will be a suggestion to the new customer. And these are the bestsellers that people genuinely love from the brand. So I'll go and change the images. Okay, so after a while, this is exactly what I made. This is how it looks. Now I'll make sure to have a general CTA right here. So if someone's not interested in these 4 products, they can go to their website with a general CTA. We have our hero section, we have our bridge copy and section, and we also have the product section. All we are missing is now is a footer. And let me go to the website to see if we can find something. Okay, they have this section on the gram. We can add this inside of the footer, and we can also use this inside of the footer. Let's have the color for footer something different on the gram. Perfect. I think this looks fine for a footer. It looks very attractive. We've got the 4 buttons right here as they have on their website. They have their small slogan. And now we can finish this up. So here you go. We are done with the design, and I think this looks phenomenal. We have the hero section right here. We have our bridge copy right here. We are talking about their brand story, and we are talking about their products processes, and we have the bestsellers section as well, which is labeled as the crowd favorite since they have this on their website. And the footer also looks amazing. We have the Instagram right here. This will be linked to the Instagram as well as a footer which increases conversion, by the way. So make sure that you have footers in your own brand email marketing campaigns or flows. Yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 email. I think this would, if they can have this on their website and they start sending out this to the people who have signed up to the email list, I think their conversion would increase by a lot more. And do let me know how do you like this design. And if you want me and my team to help you out with email designs and create some high converting email designs for your own brand, then book a call down below, and I'll see you in the next one.